Alright guys, so we have another truck that will sit down here that's going to be running our GT750 kit. Now this truck is on pump gas only, so I haven't had a chance to highlight pump gas numbers in a vlog, so I decided to take the opportunity to do that today. So this is Jim's truck, and he's not even here, so I'm going to get this truck tuned today. I have my base map on here, so we're going to just, right out the gate, just do a pull and see what it makes. Alright, so we just finished the first pull, and this thing actually made some jam. It made 581 wheel horsepower and 602 foot-pounds of torque, and this is on 91 octane. It made a little bit more boost than I wanted to run. I like to run 21 PSI or so, 22 PSI maybe, on good fuel. This made 23.5 to 24. So I'm going to lower that because I don't like that much boost on pump gas. We'll leave that for E85 if he decides to do E85 later. But 581 horsepower is pretty freaking good. I'm going to go ahead and lower this a little bit, lower some torque, and do another pull. You know, another thing I want to say too is having tuned a lot of these setups, a good solid base map is a nice start because I'm able to load that to the truck and just start from there. You know, it's not a long drawn out process. I've done so many of these trucks now that having a good base map to start with gets me, you know, 99% of the way there. And so now we're just doing some fine tuning to get things where I want it to get things dialed in. Yeah, so you're getting the experience too. When you get something from me like this, having tuned hundreds of these sets now, you're getting that experience behind it. So you can expect good results like this right out of the gate. Of course, we're going to go through the data logging process, but it's the same thing. So when you get a map from me, if we're remote tuning, it's going to be a starter map like this. You load it, you go out and do your runs, and we fine tune. So the fact that I'm on a dyno doing this doesn't mean that doesn't mean that it can't happen on the road. You guys can do the same thing on the road. So the process is the same, the data logging is the same, I look at the same data on my computer whether I'm in the truck or behind a desk. So I'm going to go through the same process that I do on a dyno, that I would do sitting behind a desk or whether I'm in a vehicle or whatnot. So that pulls a little bit better. We made 547 wheel horsepower. So it's coming down a little bit, and that's, to me, this is safe, totally safe for pump gas. So I'm going to work on the torque curve a little bit more and do another pull. Alright guys, so we ended at 554 wheel horsepower and 560 foot-pounds of torque. So that's right in line. It's making about 21 pounds, so that's perfect. So I think we're going to call it good. We've done 7 passes now, and everything's where I want it. So we'll keep it here, but this is pump gas, 91 octane, and these are the results we expect. So yeah, so I'm excited. Can't wait to see what Jim thinks when he gets his truck back. He should be flying down here in the next week or so, something like that, and taking it on to either Idaho or Washington, I think he said. So thanks again, Jim. I appreciate you. Yeah, we're all finished up here. Talk to you guys soon.